Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clock out on Paycom. Your first step is to open the Paycom application on your phone or navigate to the Paycom website on a computer. Always make sure you are logged into your specific employee profile, which guarantees that your actions are accurately recorded. This initial login is crucial for a smooth and correct clock-out process, confirming your identity for time tracking. Once logged in, navigate to the main menu and look for a section typically labeled Time Management or Time and Attendance. You might see an icon resembling a clock or a small calendar to guide your way to the correct area. This particular section holds all your current work period information and where you will manage your daily time entries. Finding this is the key to proceeding with your clock out. After reaching the time management area, your next step is to locate the clock out button. This button is typically large, clearly labeled, and positioned prominently on your screen for easy access. A single, decisive tap or click on this specific button will begin the official clock-out process for your ongoing work shift. This action signals to the system that your workday has concluded, preparing for final confirmation. Immediately after hitting clock out, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. This pop-up will show you the exact time that is about to be recorded as your clock-out time. It is vital to take a moment and carefully review this displayed time, making sure it precisely matches when you are finishing your shift. Confirming this ensures accuracy and prevents any potential discrepancies with your payroll records later on, offering peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.